Hi, I'm Braden Rogers with Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson, and today we're going to discuss the rotary Gearshift dial in the 2018 Ford Fusion. Now, the basic operation of the rotary Gearshift dial is very simple. You simply press the brake and turn the dial into the desired gear. Now, some functions that you may not know about the rotary Gearshift dial. Functions of this feature include a lockout, which is a safety feature to prevent the car from being accidentally shifted into park while the car is in motion. Another function of this feature is the automatic shift to park. One way in which this works is when we're in gear, if you were to hit the engine stop button with the car in gear, you'll see the car automatically shift to park. And I'll start it back up. And that same function works in a second way. If I have my seatbelt on when I'm driving, my car is in drive. If I were to unbuckle and then open this same door, you'll see the car will again automatically shift to park. Another function of the rotary Gearshift dial is the stay in neutral mode. This can be helpful at say an automatic car wash. To engage the stay in neutral mode, simply put the car in neutral. You'll press the center button twice. You'll see the instrument panel notifies you that we're in neutral mode, and the button below the neutral there will begin to flash. Now, to re-engage the car into regular mode, simply turn the dial into your desired driving mode. For any more questions about the rotary Gearshift dial or any other features from Ford, be sure to stop in today at Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson. Also, like our Facebook page, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Braden Rogers at Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson.